Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the bicolor mode for film and video on your ULANZI L023 light. As you can see right here, I have the light, and when you turn it on you can use the bicolor mode, which means you can make it, which is the CCT. Let's turn it on. You need to turn the knob all the way to the right, the left knob. Now I'll go out of the max mode. Let's do 1%, because that way I'll be able to demonstrate. So I'll turn off the light in my room, so we can actually see the light. And this is the coolest light. So it means it is just it's not blue, but it doesn't have any yellowness in it, and it's at 6500 kelvins. That's the maximum of kelvins you can set. If you go lower, it's going to be a little more warm. Now it is warmer. In person it looks warmer than on camera right now, but if I set it even more down, then you can see now it is a very, very warm light. And that's basically how you set it. Now, depending on what effect you want to create, that's going to be helpful to mess around with it, depending on the effect you want to have. Because the light can simulate different times of the day, depending on the warmness. I wouldn't recommend recording face with the coolest light because it looks fake, but also the warmest one looks too warm, and that's definitely not an effect you would like to make. So try messing around with it. If you don't really know, it's best to just set it somewhere in the middle, like let's say 5200 kelvins, and that is going to be like the most neutral kind of light. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.